Last year, Typhoon Ketsana dumped 1 month worth of rainfall in 6 straight hours, submerging Manila, killing hundreds, destroying millions. It's climate change at its worst, and it could get worse. This April, join us as we celebrate Earth Day. We'll go the extra mile to help solve climate change. The Nat Geo Earth Day Run, a groundbreaking collaboration with Design Against the Elements to provide innovative housing solutions for communities prone to climate change. You're invited to run and make a difference. Help find a sustainable solution for climate change. You may register online or go to these Nike and Timex outlets. Brace for the next Ketsana. Run and make a difference. The Nat Geo Earth Day Run